Today I will talk about how can you add your meal type on your fast body app. We'll go to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on your mail times here, just click on it here, and you just click on your mail times. It's going to take you to this list. Then here can you select it, breakfast and lunch and dinner here. So in here weekends, in here for work days. So here can you select it, that's all. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.